Hi, so today's lecture is related to the basics of science, or we can say it is the basics of chemistry, like just because we are discussing it in relation to the chemical molecules. Okay, so most of the times in chemistry, we discuss about all these chemical reactions, the chemical compounds, the all the chemicals. Okay, so the most important or the basic definition in respect to chemistry or science is matter. So you must know what is matter. Okay, you must know what is the basic definition or basic idea of matter. So matter is anything. You must not confuse it with the something or any of the specific thing. It is anything. Okay, anything which has weight and occupies space. So these two are the most important words when we are discussing about matter. So matter is anything that has weight and is occupying some space. So if we see around us, then all the things they are having some weight and they are occupying some space. So in general, if you see all the things around you, they are having weight and they are occupying some space. So you can say like everything is matter. Okay. And science is the study of everything. Okay. Just because everything is matter and we are studying everything in science. So it's like science is the study of matter, and we are studying each and everything in science. Everything is matter, and everything is science. Everything is matter, and we are studying each and everything in science. So it's like science is the study of whole universe. Okay, so that was about matter. So the next thing we are discussing is the atom. Okay, this atom is related to matter. So it's like atom, they are the smallest particle of matter that cannot be divided further. So if we are dividing matter, like dividing matter, we are dividing matter again and again. Okay, it's just like we have a big wood and we are just breaking it into simple smaller pieces, and the point is reached where that smallest particle cannot be divided any further. So that is the atom. Okay, it is the smallest particle of matter that cannot be divided further. Okay, so the atom is related to matter. Matter is anything which has weight and occupies space, and atom is the smallest particle of matter. Then we have the element. Okay, it is when the similar atoms combine, like these similar atoms of wood, they just combine up and they are forming this big wood loaf. So that is the element. It's just the example. The examples are like the rocks. They are the combination of small particles, the small atoms, they just combined and they are forming those big rocks. So that may be of calcium, that may be of magnesium, all those, they are the elements. Okay, so the similar atoms, they combine to form elements. Okay, then we have compound. So when one or two type of atoms, when two or more than two types of atom combine, like one we have Na and the other atom is like of chlorine. When they combine and they are forming sodium chloride, this is a compound. Okay, so they have two different kinds of atoms in them. So maybe they are there are some more type of elements as well, like in case of H2SO4. We have hydrogen, we have sulfur, we have oxygen, and these all are combined together in a definite proportion. So that is the compound of sulfuric acid. So when two or more than two types of atom combine, they form compound. Okay. Then we have the ionic compound. The ionic compound is the compound that has ions in it. Okay, so you can say it has the compound that has ions. Okay, comprising of ions. Okay, so they may be the cations or the anions. So the cations are positive and the anions are negative. So these cations, they have ability to lose electron, and these anions, they has the ability to gain electron.